everyone, Lee with the Matthew Wood Institute of Herbalism, and let's talk about shape. So this is Self-Heal. This is a really cool plant. It is in the mint family, and you'll recognize that by its square stems, its opposite leaves, and its five-petaled flowers. And look at those flowers. They kind of look like a little face that is even coughing. And wouldn't you know it, Self-Heal can be used specifically for coughs and to help out soothing those areas. Well, if you want to learn to identify plants in this fashion, check out the Doctrine Signatures class on shape at the Matthew Wood Institute of Herbalism.